We will deal with the following objectives in this lesson. Understanding how the card reader operates. Understanding how the steering column lock works. Understanding starting selection strategies. The card reader is a non-coded component. The card reader provides the receiver ring function for the Immobiliser system. The card reader also supplies the radio frequency receiver aerial function for the door management system. The card reader is also responsible for recharging the card battery for hands-free systems. The card reader contains 2 notches, each corresponding to a card position. The card is inserted up to the first notch. The accessories are supplied. Card recognition is launched at the second notch. The card reader is linked to the decoder by 2 wires. One wire is used for communication from the decoder to the reader so that the card can be recognized by the Immobiliser system. The other wire is used to transmit the card code to the decoder for Immobiliser systems and door management. A feature of some recent models is the lack of stop switch. The inquiry takes place when the Start-Stop button is pressed. In this section we have looked at the following points. The Renault card reader enables the following functions: the receiver ring, the receiver aerial for the doors and boot, and the card battery charger. The card reader is linked to the decoder by 2 wires. The card reader contains 2 notches with the exception of some recent models that have no stop switch. The steering column lock is a coded component. When the card is authenticated, the UCH transmits a code to unlock the steering column lock. If the lock recognizes the code, the steering column is freed. The steering column lock then transmits an acknowledgement signal to the UCH. This signal confirms that the steering column lock has been unlocked. If the steering column lock supply voltage is insufficient, the steering column remains locked. For safety reasons, the steering column remains unlocked in the following cases. The card is present in the card reader. The vehicle is moving. The airbag unit is faulty, locked, or disconnected, or there has been an accident where the airbag has triggered. In this section we have looked at the following points. The steering column lock is a coded component that communicates with the UCH. If the steering column lock supply voltage is insufficient, the steering column remains locked. In some cases, the steering column remains unlocked. The engine is only authorized to start under certain conditions. The stop switch gives the depressed brake pedal signal. On a vehicle fitted with a manual gearbox, the neutral sensor sends the UCH the neutral signal from the gearbox. The clutch sensor sends the end-of-travel depressed clutch pedal signal to the UCH. For a vehicle fitted with automatic transmission, the park or neutral signal is communicated via the multiplex network. In this section we have looked at the following points. The starter button is connected to the UCH. The UCH reacts to the stages in the starting procedure. The engine is only authorized to start under certain conditions. For a vehicle fitted with automatic transmission, the park or neutral signal is communicated via the multiplex network.